Greg, what's your middle name?
Greg is my middle name. My first name is Robert.
Live 1, 2, 3, 4. Live 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Toby, hasta ni ka. Toby.
Daddy, why are you not running? The bag. Can you get them in the bag? No, they don't go in the bag. We don't get them in the bag. Try to get them. Can you get them? They're right there. Yellow triangle. They go to George. The ball? How much it cost? Yes.
Help her open it there.
Because only clue.
Where's the ink pad, Owie?
I made a clue.
Put it over close to her. There, yeah, help her open a little bit.
I'm looking. Oh, here it is.
Now give it to her.
Okay, here's your elephant. Here's your ink pad. What color do you want it in?
Look what you got, baby. Look.
Blue? Okay.
Another star. Frosted star.
Okay.
I saw this present floating over there. Yes. What lovely gift. Who likes your gift? And let's see, will you play with your gift?
I don't know what these things are. But we have some
You want to
birds.
open Sarvada's gift now?
And a cat.
Inside here, there's these purses, right?
We can make
And we
first
can cut them out, and then we can
decorate
them
them.
with like
She likes doing that.